Good morning, my dear student. Today I have come up with the solution of the word problem of exercise 3.4. The first question is if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1 and it becomes 1 upon 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. Plus again we have to, this is a fraction 1 problem, so we have to consider numerator and denominator or directly a fraction. So fraction is x upon y, suppose. Then what is the first condition? That x plus 1 upon y minus 1 is added to the numerator, 1 is subtracted to the denominator. It reduces to 1, that is the overall answer is 1, that is x plus 1 upon y minus 1 is equals to 1. Similarly, second equation we will form x upon y, in that we have to only add 1 to the denominator, that is x upon y plus 1 is equals to 1 upon 2. So in this way, now see the solution. Now two equations they are formed using it, and after that there is no need to multiply anything, because y, the coefficient of y in elimination method we know that the coefficient of one of the variable should be same. So here the coefficient of y is minus 1, both the equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now simple solution, and finally x and y we derive from here and we can solve it. Now your next question. Next question is 5 years ago Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. So how old are Noori and Sonu? Means they are asking for present age. So first of all we will consider the present age of Noori as x and present age of Sonu as y. See this solution. According to the given information, what is that? 5 years ago means present age of Noori is x, then 5 years ago it will be x minus 5. Same as of Sonu, it will be y minus 5. So it is thrice. According to the question, 5 years ago the age of Noori is 3 times the age of Sonu. So as according to that they have formed the equation. Similarly, second equation they have formed the age of Noori be x, then 10 years later it will be x plus 10, and age of Sonu will be y plus 10, and in that case they have given twice. So they have formed the equation number 1, x minus 3y is equals to minus 10, and second equation is x minus 2y is equals to 10. So on subtracting, again there is the coefficient of x is same, so again we can directly subtract these two equations and we can solve. Now next is digit problem. This is class one of the important word problem, and very means you can say in class 8th also you have done this digit problem, but there not much explanation is given. Now see the question. Sum of the digit of 2-digit number. So 2-digit number, it will have two things, unit place and tens place. So we have to consider the digit for both, let it be x and y, and it is given the sum is 9. So condition we can make. Similarly, 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digit. Means in this you can see the solution. They have considered unit digit as x and tens digit as y. Then the number will be 10y plus x, because tens place it is y. Now reverse number, what will be that? Suppose 36 is the number, then reverse number will be 63, means digit are reversing. So reverse digit, the reverse number will be 10x plus y. Now according to the given information, the sum of the digit is x plus x 9, that is x plus y is equals to 9, and second condition what they have given, 9 times the number, that is 10y plus x, is twice the reverse number, that is 10x plus y. Interchanging the digit, reverse number, both are the same concept. So on solving, it is coming like this: 88y minus 11x is equals to 0. They have done, they have divided the same by you can say 11, and it is they have formed the second equation. Now from second equation, what they have done, adding the first and the second equation. In first equation it is x plus y is equals to 9, and second equation is minus x plus 8y. So on adding, x and x will cancel out, 9y is equals to 9, and they have solved. So finally x and y we have derived. Now we have to substitute this in a number that we have considered. That in starting we have written that unit digit and tens digit of the number be x and y respectively, then the number is 10y plus x. So here we have to substitute the value of x and y, and finally we will get the answer. Plus this I will explain you once more. If you want, let me know.